Alright, we're on the SB 150, first time riding it, and not my favorite local trail. So I bedded into brakes. They kind of feel like they're not as strong as the XTR. So, alright, not gonna hit that jump yet. We're gonna warm up because I don't know how the rebound is and see how everything works out. We're gonna skip the first two. It's basically only been on the streets. Not really feeling a lot of support on the back, but here's our first jump. Ooh. 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 All right, did not feel terrible. We're gonna run it back because long ways back. All right, we'll do it again. All right, round two of testing. Put about 5 more PSI in the rear. Felt a little sluggish. Brakes feel a little sluggish too. I don't know if I gotta bleed them or what. My little sea legs in there. I don't know. I feel like I'm bouncing a lot. All right, the rain is coming, so we got maybe 2 more little practice sessions, then maybe tomorrow. Oh, the rain is coming down already. Whew. Felt good. Session. So, my first thoughts on the Yeti SB 150. I don't know. I don't think it's slack enough. I'm just throwing it out there. I think it's 64. I think 64 and a half. My trail bike is 66, and sometimes you can change it out to 65 and a half. Kind of felt like maybe a little more, another degree. But we'll keep playing with it because it's about to rain. All right, played around with the shocks. Hopefully they feel good. I don't know about that. This is rather large. I don't think my brakes are right, but it is what it is. Oh, ain't too much air in my fork. Pedal up. Yeah, I don't think my brakes are bedded in yet. Feel the front heavy. That's why we don't take it to the big jumps until we dial it in. Woo! Now we see how the ruggedness works. A little rugged through here. A little rugged, a little rugged. Maybe a couple of PSIs less on that fork. Alright, here we are, we're done with our first initial ride. Whew. Alright, everyone says it's a great climber. It's doable on the climb. Unless that's all you got. So it does lock out, which I just put the lockout in. It takes a lot of effort to pedal, and you can just feel it's a big bike. But heading back, I like it, but I gotta feel like I gotta see something bigger. I don't feel the brakes are bedded in yet. Spent a couple of hours trying to bed it in around the house, but I think they got better. Or maybe these Diors aren't as strong as the XTRs. That could be it too. Whew. It wasn't terrible pedaling up, but definitely you felt the big bike going up. It's definitely a shuttle bike. So, all right, that's all I have. I'll have a full review in a little bit. Whew.